Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kajingya tanya kabla Khluit bah pedeng kini ki arngut kinong mi khmat pai ba hapo kador bar senrai jong ka Lyngdoh bar thau an kabla jia ha pedeng chief wave kalyang persha AICTC UMLA ka umroi ba George B Lyngdoh pat u Conrad ke Sangma mentri rang ba ka jala kajingya ka wangkti da ka ktin kalong namar kajing kan no menthok baka sorkar ka klemya selok bat kikan hun ba pher ha ba ya soy MOU bat ka jala Asam ban penbe yaki hinyau teli ki jaka ki balaya kajia hapdeng kini ki arjala uni unong yalam jongka AICTC ulabu jingkeliru babalai umentri rang ba kajala ukem bitar ya namar ka jingkren ya ka jingshisha na kalyang u Conrad ke Sangma mentri rang ba kajala ulapen pau ka jingsngausi ya ka jingkren jung ba George Lyngdoh ha ka ba ulapen pai kalyang balai ban pendon kam kentin menthok namar ka jingken no baka sorkar ka klemya selok bat kiken hun ba pher habaya soy ya ka MOU kamlong ka babakla la pensngeu umentri rang ba ka jala Lyngdoh bar thau an ula ongru baka jingya kren pen bejput jongka wat ka baningkong kalayaj harengkan bat ha ka jingya selok bat kiken hun ba pher ula pen ro ya ka sorkar MDA baka sin ka baningkong baki mentri sorkar bat ki he officer ke la le cheki ying ki thau bat penlong ya ka jingya lang paj ba ka bompat jule meno ha ka wat ka baar ka sorkar kan se selok yang ya baro kiken hun ha shwa ban pen be ya ka jingya ka jia ha ki hinyau teli ki jaka ki badangsa ha kaju kapor ula ongru baka jala kala kentu ki dekhot jong kalyang persha banomle politics ya kani ka kam pen bejput
was never the way in which the Honourable Chief Minister had stated so.
Sir, it's sad that the Honourable Member is misleading the House completely. And I can completely say that it's a lie, what he's saying, sir. In fact, the process of the first phase saw multiple stakeholder meetings. For the first time, the ministers and the concerned officials went to ground zero, had multiple public hearings which are on record, not only with just Meghalaya, but even Assam was with us. So, sir, I would ask the Honourable Member to refrain from making such statements which are completely misleading. You're in the House. This is not a press conference that is going on. So be clear about your facts. This is not the way a responsible member should act, sir. In regards to the different members and the stakeholders we've talked to, every single stakeholder has been involved in this process, sir. I cannot say that every individual in the state has been involved, but the concern of the members was saying about the HEMAs. So the HEMAs, the discussion took place in all the relevant areas where it was. District Council, MDCs, all of them were there when these discussions were taking place. Different MLAs, different NGOs, different stakeholders, you name it, sir. I don't have the whole list with me right now because the question was primarily regarding the second phase. So I don't have the details of the first phase but I'm sure we'll get an opportunity and I will share all those details of how many meetings took place and who all and how many people were involved in this. So I would ask the Honourable Member to refrain from misguiding and misleading the House, sir.
Honourable Speaker, sir, the rules and procedures of conduct of this House tells us that we cannot cast personal aspersions on honourable members. It is expected that the leader of the House refrains from using the word lies and tells the members that we are lying. Sir, I'm talking and some members are trying to add fuel to this entire discussion. Sir, the Khasi Hills District Autonomous Council had already passed a resolution in the House opposing the MOU. We have letters from Himalayan opposing the MOU. We have people who are up in arms saying that they don't want to go to Assam. Sir, calling me a liar, it's okay. It's for the people to judge whether I lie or not. I don't want to go away from the reply that the Honourable Chief Minister has said, that the government will still be considering the stakeholders. It will still be thinking. So when we are moving into this Sir, interrupting an honorable member also is not part of the rule, sir. So therefore, sir,
So this is question hour, sir. My
sir,
point is that.
I think we not be reminded of what is question hour and 0 hour.
You need to
and
be
policy.
reminded. That's the
So
point.
why is the Honorable Chief Minister annoyed? Why is the Chief Minister annoyed? So calling me
Sir,
a liar
I would
in the
request,
first
sir,
instance, calling me a liar in the first instance.
Please put a
Sir,
question.
the
Sir,
honorable
I'm getting
member.
to the point. I'm getting
Sir,
to the
and I will
point,
give
sir.
a very
I would
detailed reply
request
to
Honorable
him.
Chief Minister to
But
kindly
ask
show
him to please
patience.
give a special question, sir.
Sir,
Please put a question. Supplementary.
I'm coming to that, sir, because as questions were cast and
Honourable
been
member,
called
this
a
is a
liar,
question
so
hour,
I need
so
to
please put a
clarify, sir.
question. Yeah.
So therefore, sir, I would request the government that at least last time when I had asked for the draft MOU on the floor of the House to be circulated, that was not done, and many areas have been lost. So at least this time, sir, second round, at least take us as a House into consideration and at least circulate the areas first so that at least we can have a thorough discussion and see the ground realities before the government goes ahead with the second round and finalizes the other MOU, sir.